Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to your Shopify store. So first of all, you of course need to buy a domain on GoDaddy if you already have it. So I'm just going to copy my domain and we're going to go to Shopify. Here on your dashboard, you're going to click settings at the bottom left corner. Now from here, you're going to click domains. And now as you can see, I have a connection from other domain register like Namecheap, but now we want to connect a new domain, which means we need to click connect existing domain and we need to copy and paste your domain name. Then you're going to click next. Again, we need to follow the instructions, which you can find here. And after that, we're going to verify the connection. So we need to enter some DNS settings to our GoDaddy. So you're just going to go here on your domains and you're going to click DNS. Here you're going to see that you can add some records. As you can see, there are some already and they may conflict with each other. So we're going to need to delete them. And now let's try to add a new record. We need to add a record with this name and the value would be these numbers. Let's save it. As you can see, it already conflicts and it was already added. So I'm just going to delete it. And let's try to save it again. And as you can see, it has been added. Now again, we need to add another record, which is AAA with the value of these numbers. Again, you're going to save it. And the last one would be CNAME with www and this value. So let's try to add it. Maybe it will not conflict with anything. Let's save it. And that's it. You basically added your records here on GoDaddy. Now you go back to your store and you click verify connection. It may have some errors, but basically everything is okay here. Let's try to do this again. Now, as you can see, it has been added right here. And everything worked just fine. So that's it, guys. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.